Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset HONOR X7d. Okay, we have two methods how we can do it. We can normally reset our device simply through the settings, that's the recommended method, but we can also reset it using the recovery mode. This method is recommended basically when we cannot perform the first method, or for example in situations like when we have frozen screen or simply unresponsive device. Let's begin with the first method. Simply open up the settings, scroll all the way down, click on System and Updates, and find Reset. Now, in here also we can reset all settings or reset network settings, but of course we are interested in the last function, Reset Phone. Remember that all of your data will be permanently deleted. You can also read about it right in here. And now all we need to do is to simply tap on Reset Phone. After that, our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. That's how we can perform the first method. And now let's go with the method through the recovery mode. To do it, we need to power off our device first, click power button and volume up button at the same time, and select power off. Okay, now to enter the recovery mode, we need to use two button combination. We need to hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the HONOR logo. So keep holding both buttons, just to make sure we can also hold for a little bit longer. Okay, we can release the finger from the power button, but for a few seconds let's keep holding volume up. Now I think that when we will release, we need to wait again a little until the recovery mode launches. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. I know it's really bright and you may not see everything, so I'll flip my phone just like that. Now, to move around this menu, we use volume keys. We need to select clear data, but one thing before we go forward, there's a chance that after the reset using the recovery mode, your phone will want you to type your lock screen that you had set before the reset in the setup process as a confirmation that you're actually a user of this device. But you can also, as a confirmation method, type your Google account on which you were logged in also before the reset on your HONOR. That's like a confirmation that we are not a thief or something like that. Okay, so now select clear all data. Now confirm by clicking the power button. Select factory reset, confirm. Now we need to type the word yes using our keyboard. Then select factory reset, confirm. The process will start, so let's wait a little. It shouldn't take long. Okay, 100% reset successful. Now select back, select restart, tap the power button, and now, just like in the first method, the phone will be launched. And the next thing that we need to do is to go through the setup process. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.